In this video, I'll show you how to solve in case your TCL Roku TV does not have any audio, no sound going out of it. So there's two tricks I want to show you. Let's start with the first one. So the TV is turned on. What you'll do next is you're gonna disconnect it from the power outlet. Even if the TV is off, don't worry, just plug the cable. Let it rest at least 5 minutes. During that 5 minutes, you need to find the power button that is located under the TV. If we look closely, mine is over here, okay? It should be close to the center. Press on that button during 30 seconds. 1, 2, well, I won't count till 30, but you get the idea. Once 30 seconds has passed, release the button. And once 5 minutes has passed, go ahead and connect the TV back in your power socket. Next, it's time to power on the TV. Do not use the remote control to do this. Go ahead and press the button under the TV once to power it back on. And hopefully this simple trick solved your issue. Now test it out, see if you have audio or sound. Now, if this still doesn't work, let me go to the second trick. So you need to go and press the home button. So we have this menu on the left side. Go down now. Select settings. Go down. Select audio. And under audio output, over here it's at auto because it's detecting audio automatically, but maybe this is not working properly. So you need to select, you need to select in this list one of these options depending where you're trying to get the audio from. So if it's your TV speakers that are not working, select TV speakers here to force the TV to output the sound through the speakers. If you connected your TV to a home receiver, home theater, or a sound bar using an optical cable, select optical to make sure the TV is forced to use that. And if you output your audio through an HDMI cable, some sound bars are working with HDMI, even some home theaters, well, go ahead and select ARC here. Now you can test your audio and see if it's working. If not, get back to this same menu. And now we need to go down, prefer streaming format. And this is another thing you can test out. Usually it's auto, but now select Dolby and see if the audio is working. If it's not, go ahead, select DTS and check again to see if your audio is working. So these are the things you need to check. It's a lot of trial and error going through these settings, but at the end, I'm pretty sure you will get your audio back. Please type a comment down below telling me which of these settings you had to change to make it work. And if you have any other tricks, again, type a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.